Good morning, students and staff. Welcome back to the 21-22 school year. I'm extremely excited to be in my third year here at Denver High School, helping to lead our fantastic staff and students. I truly love what I do, and I believe the high school can be a great experience. Today's your first day back, and I hope your summer was relaxing, refreshing, and rejuvenating. No matter how you're feeling right now, excited to be back, sad to be back, or maybe just excited for the fall activities to kick up, just know that all staff are ready for you and have been preparing this summer for a great school year. Our theme this year is All Aboard, which seems very fitting for the challenges we faced with the pandemic over the past 15 months. We are moving forward, and no matter what obstacles we face, we are in this together. Now we've lifted some regulations from last year, we still need to remain diligent and keep safety our number one priority. It's also imperative that we're respectful of student and staff's individual choices. One example would be with the use of masks. We must continue to strive to understand that individual or group differences complement each other and make the world more interesting. In a book I read this summer, they posed the question, what is life's most pertinent and urgent question? The author quoted Martin Luther King Jr., and the question was, what are you doing for others? He goes on to talk about how life is not what you get out of it, it's what you put into it. So the more accepting we are of different attitudes and values, the more we believe others deserve to be treated with kindness and compassion. And the more helpful we are to others, the more impact you'll have on your families, friends, community, and school. This leads me to 3 goals I have for all Denver High School students. Respecting and working toward these goals will allow you to maximize your time here in high school. The first goal is you feel safe and supported. It's important you know that we're here for you, we want what's best for you, and we believe in you. Another important phrase that goes along with this is if you see something, say something. Please reach out to someone. Could be a friend, parent, staff member, Mrs. Van Rees, myself. If either you are going through a difficult time or you know someone who's going through a difficult time. Also, please report any suspicious behavior and err on the side of caution. The next goal is to be kind. Look for opportunities to make someone's day. This ties right in with that quote that I said earlier about what are you doing for others. It doesn't take much to make somebody else's day. So respect yourself, others, and all staff. And the third one is that all of you leave Denver with a high quality education and the knowledge, skills, and strategies needed to be college and career ready. So make learning your top priority. Be an advocate to yourself. Get the help you need. SLC is a great time to request help if you need it, and our teachers will also be pulling you in to give you the help that you need, whether it be the enrichment or just some things that you need additional work on. So take advantage of these opportunities because sooner or later, and it'll be soon, you'll be out in the real world, and we want to make sure that you are prepared for what the changing society brings. These goals may sound simple, but working to maximize and live them out every day can be challenging. So remember, we're in this together. This leads me to my last thought for the morning, and it has to do with living in the moment. This can apply to many aspects of your life. I'm challenging you to work to stop worrying about all the things of the past. Try to focus on the present day and try to win that day. I know for myself it can be easy to focus on all the things I have going on, but I'm trying to live more in the moment. I'm working to enjoy that moment as each day is truly a gift. One challenge I know that all of you face today is the pressures of social media and cell phones. Our staff will be discussing cell phones with you, and it'll be imperative that you respect our policy and the reasons why we're asking you to use them when it's appropriate. Those times, as you know, are before and after school, passing times, and lunch. We're also asking that you turn your cell phone in to your teacher, set it on their desk when you go to use the restroom during class. Again, this all comes back to being present, being in the moment, and making sure that when you're in class, you're getting the education that you deserve. We don't think cell phones are all bad. We know they're a great tool, but we're asking that you respect that and you think about that as you go throughout your day. Although we aren't in our usual back-to-school assembly where you can see all of our staff, please know they've been working very hard for you this summer to prepare for a great school year. When you see them, be sure to thank them. Also, a shout out to our custodial staff for all their work over the summer to make sure your building is ready for you, and this is the very last year you'll be in this high school. I'd also like to introduce 2 new staff members to our Cyclone family. The first staff member is Mr. Murch. Mr. Murch will be teaching middle school and high school agriculture as we bring the ag program back. We're very excited about that. And also Mrs. Hurley. She is our new high school English and middle school special education teacher. Another teacher that I'd like to introduce is Mrs. Rockwell. And Mrs. Rockwell will be the new high school student council advisor, and she will be sending information out very soon to start applying for the student council. So I'd really love to welcome our new staff. They're a great addition to our team. In addition to our staff, we also have 7 new high school students that will be joining the district, and I'd ask that you extend a warm welcome to all of them. Welcome to Denver High School, and make sure they find their classrooms these first few days. We're also very excited to have them a part of our team. And finally, as we get ready for a new year, I just ask that you take my advice. Do your best, keep an eye out for your friends and classmates, and truly work to be kind. This is going to be a great 21-22 school year. I love saying this at the beginning of every year, and I truly believe it. It's a new year, it's a fresh start. Let's commit to making this the best year at DHS. All aboard, go Cyclones, have a great day.